Hey you guys, we're back in the W, and, well, there's a sighting, and they think they found Jones, but they don't know. They think they found her, or they saw her at Kmart. Ugh. Can you believe it? Kmart is so ratchet. So, I can't believe it. I'm just still looking at toys. These dolls are weird. Weirdos. Ew, if she's really at Kmart, she is dead to me. She is dead. Oh. That's what she needs to be in. She needs the police. If that bitch is at Kmart, she is dead to me. At least go to Sam's Club or something. But Kmart, ugh, makes me sick. See these blocks? She needs to be buried in them. She needs a monster. Okay. Before I get too mad, I'm gonna go. See you guys later. Bye.